Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. So in this video, I will tell you one best AI website that will help you to generate your presentation PPT slide. So in this website, you just paste your slide title. They will auto generate your all the slides one by one and according to your topic. So let's start the video now. First of all, you have to create account. Click here, try to home. When you click over here, they will ask you to create your account. So I will connect my account through my Gmail account. When I click continue with Google, then I choose my Gmail account. When I click over here, my account will be logged soon. So I am liking my account, so you have to create a new one if you don't have. Then you click here create button. When you click your create button, and there they show you a many option: document to presentation, create page about, create image, upload image. Then you have to click create presentation about. When you click over here, they will ask you to your topic. Then I write what is networking. When I click enter, then they start creating my PPT slide. Let's see how they create my presentation slides. As you can see, our first slide is this is our first slide introduction, and that one is our second, what is networking, the importance of networking. And the second slide is what is networking. They also add the images, and the third one is importance of network importance, and the fifth one effective networking strategies. Each and everything they will generate easily. You can also keep this one, or you can keep this one, or you can try another one. After you completing your PPT slide, you can also edit with this editor. You can also rewrite, you can bold, each and everything you can edit over here. When you everything will be complete, you can also do export into a PDF, and also you can add your logo for free. That is a website that help you to generate your PPT slide for free. So also you can generate images with this website. Like when you click on create button, they will give you option create images. When you click over here, you will write your prompt and they will generate image for you. Write baby at mountain. And let's see how they generate the images. Like you can see, they generate a beautiful images, baby in the mountain. You can also generate image with the help of this AI tool, and you can also paste your title over here. This is a premium website. You can use this to creating your PowerPoint slides, creating image. So if you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.